My name is Ashley Wells. I am a recruiter for Ambulance by DocGo. Back in 2020, when COVID first happened, I, like most, thought that it would be over fairly quickly. I was a little skeptical about everything that was going on, and here we are, 2022, and it's still going on. COVID was difficult. I have older parents, so it limited my time that I was able to see them. I would go see them every day when I got off of work, and I was not able to see them sometimes for a couple months at a time. So that was very difficult for not only me, but my mom and my dad as well. Thankfully, I was able to keep my job. I was very fortunate, but I knew the risk that I was taking for not only myself and my daughter. I'm a single mother, so I had to make sure that I was constantly doing what I had to do to keep not only myself safe, but making sure that I didn't bring it home to her. It didn't go to daycare. It was so many things going through my mind. Right at the beginning of 2020, I was in a terrible car accident, so that limited my transportation. I was taking public transportation, taking the train every day, so I was at risk there. I worked in corrections. We had to release a lot of inmates just because of the risk. Also, we had to shut down a lot of floors because a couple people came in with it, having to wear N95s, having to not be around people, not being able to see my friends, but being thankful that I was still able to have a job, looking at other people losing their jobs, and it was stressful to say the least. I went to church every single Sunday and we weren't able to meet, and that took a toll on me, almost to the point where I felt like I was going into a depression because I couldn't do what I was used to doing. I was hoping that it was all a dream and that it would all end at the end of 2020 when we found out the vaccine was available. I did choose to be vaccinated. It was very important to not only my family, but it was important to me to be able to be safe and to keep my daughter safe and keep my parents safe. So I was one of the first ones that received the dose. I received it on December 28th of 2020. I don't regret it at all. I am very thankful. I am very grateful. I have been very fortunate not to have gotten COVID, but I have been impacted by people close to me that have gotten it, and I've seen what it's done. I encourage people to get it, but I also encourage people to become educated about it. I think that it worked for me. My family did get vaccinated. I am able to see my parents regularly now to keep that relationship. I'm able to freely go places. I do still wear my mask. It taught me a lesson. I had a strong faith, but my faith is stronger now because I was put into situations and put around things that I know only God protected me from. And I'm so thankful for not only my family, my friends, my church family. I'm just thankful for knowing God and being able to come to Him in those times when I was feeling very depressed, because there were days when I sometimes didn't want to get out of bed, but I knew I had to. I'm so thankful. I'm going to be honest, I'm sad that COVID is not gone, but I will do everything that I can to protect not only myself, but to protect my child, protect my family, all the loved ones that I have that COVID has impacted. I'm going to protect myself to make sure that all of us are safe.